In today's video, this is one of the craziest videos I have ever done. Why is that? You're going to have to wait and see right now. Guys, in today's crypto space, I am blowing things out of the water here today. Today in the cryptocurrency market cap, we have $1.209 trillion, 40 billion and a half in trading volume. We have come down 20 billion since yesterday, 1.6% since yesterday, and that is because of the rug pulls and the things that are going on. So we're going to talk about that today. I'm jumping straight into this video, as you guys can see, because I need to give you the best highlighting content ever than before. Okay, 28,924. So we are officially below the 29k level now on Bitcoin. Ethereum at 1832, BNB at 245, Ripple at 69 cents, Dogecoin at 7.6 cents, Cardano 30 cents, Solana 23.53, Litecoin at 90.50, Polkadot 507, Polygon 67 cents, Shiba Inu 830, Uni 644, Avalanche 1269. So Avalanche fell a bit more yesterday. I'm going to be scooping up some more Avalanche. I love Avalanche, guys. You know that already. Stellar 14 cents, Chainlink 745, and Cosmos is 880. So I'll be probably buying up some more Cosmos as well too, so I can make me some more Ethereum. All right, guys. Today in the cryptocurrency fear and greed index, we currently have a 53, which is pretty much a little bit higher than yesterday, but we're still in the neutral zone. Very interesting with all the stuff that's going on, because the crypto bubbles today have absolutely popped and exploded, from the SEC accusing, well, basically accusing the Hex founder that essentially he has scammed his people and his community for over $1.2 billion, which I do not believe for 1 second. I think the SEC and Gary Gensler are really just they're pulling at straws here, and they're really just trying to grab anything that they possibly can grab. Today today you can see PulseX, Hex, Comp are absolutely being obliterated. I mean, guys, this is an opportunity to just continue to buy these coins at lower prices. That's all I can say. Things that are obviously in the green. I mean, FTT 9.4% up for the day. That is interesting, and we're going to have a look at why we believe FTT is up for the day in comparison to some of the other stuff that is happening out there. Now, guys, let's go and have a look at the first bit of news: how blockchain is transforming fundraising for startups and entrepreneurs. Investors and entrepreneurs can create and execute investment agreements directly on the blockchain. Pretty cool, right? So various steps for building a smart contract: identify the parties, establish the terms of agreement, define conditions for contract execution, write smart contract code, deploy contract to blockchain platform, trigger contract execution automatically, record contract details on the blockchain ledger. Pretty simple, right? This enhances the attractiveness in venture capital investments by providing liquidity and reducing the risk associated with long-term investments. So blockchain fundraising platforms, Project A or PAT, smart contract address, investor deposits $1 into the token contract. Tokens are distributed in a 3-to-1 ratio. So investors receive 3 PAT tokens to their wallet. So they invested $1, they'll get 3 PAT tokens. That's what it looks like in this space. In this way, the fundraising process becomes a collaborative effort between the project and its community, driving mutual growth and success. Okay, which is what we need. That's what we've been talking about for some seriously crazy time now. So, guys, the Bitcoin volume hits the lowest since early 2021 amid the fear of 25k may return. I think that's a high possibility at this point, especially with the FUD, the rubbish that is continuing to continue. BTC retracing deeper than 25k is possible, analyst warns, with 28.3 the line in the sand for Bitcoin bulls. Well, we'll have to go and have a look at that in a moment on the chart. I will go and show you. But this trader believes that 28,300 is the last line of defense for the Bitcoin bulls, and essentially if we break that, that would be us coming down. So nearby the 50-day, 100-day moving averages at 29,450 and 28,460 respectively form key trend lines to upside and downside, which is correct. So today is actually the 8th consecutive day of testing support at the 50-day moving average, and even though the 50-day is held, resistance at 29.5k is replenishing. If bulls can't clear it, I expect a run at the lows with 28.3k as the last line of defense. The question for me is whether will Bitcoin bounce from the 28,000s or extend to 25k and beyond. All of these moves are possible. The mystery is in what order and what time will they play out. And that's the thing that I keep speaking about on my time frame, on my channel, is time frame. So for the first time since January 21, BTC is in the process of turning the black 29.3 into support in a new uptrend. So currently we're now a little bit underneath that line. Okay, I did show you this, guys, on my video yesterday, so go and check that video out. But you can see here the 7-day average of Bitcoin spot trading volume has sunk to levels not seen since the start of 2021. We will go and have a look at that too. So BTC spot volume, 7-day average, you can see that there right now. So let's go and have a look at the crypto volume first. So crypto volume is currently sitting at 40.11, and the 24-hour change is about 1.62%. Okay, you can see that this volume is crazy low, guys. I don't think we've actually seen this volume for some time now. You can see that we actually have not seen this volume. Let's go and put this on the weekly. In fact, let's go do 3 days. We can see that, so the crypto volume actually has not ever been this low on this crypto volatility index. It hasn't been this low, well, at least since this chart has recorded it, which is essentially over here at the April kind of 2019 level, which was pre C19, of course. So this is the Bitcoin volatility index here, guys. If you want to go and look for it, it's called BVol 24 hour. Don't worry about the EMAs on this. The EMAs are for my other chart. I'm looking at this on the weekly index. Now I want to go and show you guys something right now. That over here is where we are currently experiencing, is what everybody is talking about, the lowest that we have ever experienced since 2021, which is down here. So yes, they are true to a degree. This would essentially have been that low right there that they are referring to over here. So you can see that if I had to put my line right there, we haven't traded at these lows since then, which is true. Okay, and if we have to come a little bit lower to where it actually currently is at the 0.3 level, you can see that we have not traded this low in Bitcoin volatility since October 2018. Okay, so you can see that that is one of the craziest things that we are seeing right now in the crypto space. Now, while I am still busy talking about some of this stuff, guys, I want to go and show you one or two articles because, okay, I've shown you that one, and we will go and have a look at a number of other cool articles. But let's go and quickly have a look at the Dixie chart for the day. You can see why Bitcoin and crypto are falling down right now, because the Dixie is busy pumping. And essentially the Dixie is trying to make its way back up to the 50 moving average over here, my blue line. And for me, guys, we're already oversold on the RSI, so I don't think that this dollar has much run left. It can pump all the way up to the 200, but that's going to take at least a few days here for it to make a pump to that side. Now, with that being said, the Bitcoin dominance, as you can see here on the weekly, on the daily, is bouncing off of this level. This was an engulfing candle of this candle. We have both of these candles have engulfed 3 of these candles here. The RSI pulling up. There is a huge sell volume spike right now in today's candle, so that would be interesting to see, but we have had growing buy volume in these previous candles. So let's see what happens over here for the next couple days. Now, while I am here, guys, I would appreciate if you could come over to the video, subscribe to the channel. I would love to see 100 likes on the video. Without a doubt, make sure to get 100 likes on the video to my Crypto Biz community, guys. Come on, we are almost at 800. Let's get us there to 1,000 subscribers on the channel. That would be much appreciated. And for a small channel like mine, that is powerful, so that all of the community can actually benefit from what it is that I do, guys. You can see I've been consistent. I have posted more than 628 videos for you guys so far. So, and that is not going to ever stop. So make sure that, well, unless I croak, touch wood. But yeah, that is the craziest thing. So I want to go and have a look at something, and I want to show you exactly why I feel as though I am extremely bullish on Bitcoin right now. So this is CoinGecko's 2023 Q2 report, which was released on July 18th. Okay. Now, the top 6 highlights of CoinGecko's 23 crypto industry report. Well, let's go and have a look at it. I'm going to move this across here so that you can see nicely. So you can see here Bitcoin price and trading volume. So Bitcoin saw some volatility, ending Q2 with a 6.9% gain. So first tick, boom, already we're up 6.9% in Q2. Okay, Although the volume over here in March was way crazier than the volume that's been depreciating right now. But remember, when volume starts to diminish, there's huge volatility going to come. And that's why I say to you guys here in the Bitcoin volatility chart, you can actually see right now in today's candle, you can see right now that we are busy getting a strong bullish candle in the buy volume for volatility in the charts. Okay. Second thing is stablecoins shrank by 3.5% with USDC and BUSD being the biggest losers again. Top 15 stablecoins by market cap, okay, which means the daily market capitalization of top 15 stablecoins January to June 2023. That's now. Now I want to go and show you guys that this is USDT, this is USDC, that's DAI, that's BUSD, that's TUSD, and that's others. Okay. Now I just want to go and show you something. If stablecoins are shrinking by 3.5%, what does that actually mean for us? Well, that means that more money is either doing one of two things: being pulled out of the market, the entire crypto space, firstly, or secondly, that the stable coins are being sold and cryptocurrencies, other cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins are actually being bought with the stable coins. And that's why they would shrink in value, in size. Okay, so that's pretty interesting. Third thing is ETH staking grew by 30.3% even after the withdrawals were enabled. So the Ethereum consensus layer staking weekly quantity of ETH staked from January to July 2023, guys, this is insane. Look at Lido, look at Coinbase, okay? Look at all the others. This is huge. We have drastically increased over this time. Reason number 4, NFT trading volume has dropped by 35% despite growing popularity of the Bitcoin ordinals. Now, I need to show you something here because this is a little bit negative, but NFT trading volume across the top 8 chains, monthly NFT trading volume on top 8 chains, okay, you can see here, all of this kind of light purple or lavender color is all Ethereum. So Ethereum is huge. You can see when Bitcoin ordinals started to come in, Bitcoin is bringing in huge volume into the space as well. And I just need to show you something. So yeah, like it's bringing in 1 billion, nearly 2 billion, 1.5 billion, 1 billion, 700 million, 840 million Ethereum. Bitcoin ordinals have only been around for 4 months, and in their third month they raked in nearly 30% of what Ethereum did during the same time. So guys, for me, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Immutable, Polygon, Solana, Flow, Arbitrum, these guys are going to be bringing the NFT space to another level. And if I'm working on an NFT project, you guys will hear about that at some point, but 35% down, isn't that a good time to buy? Yes. Okay? Yes. Spot trading volume on centralized exchanges have fallen by 43.2%, with Binance market share dropping 52%. Well, I wonder why, because all the fight against Binance has been obliterating this crypto space, and that is exactly why we have seen the crypto market have these crazy, ridiculous pullbacks. Okay, so we'll go and talk about that, this chart in a little moment, but monthly market share of top 10 sectors by spot trading. Okay, so you guys can see here, Binance is the biggest, with whether you like it or not. Upbit is the next biggest, then OKX, then Coinbase. Coinbase comes 4th in this list, okay, which tells me actually that these cryptos, okay, are being hugely manipulated, especially because Binance was the biggest one and Binance had the most amount of FUD. So that's reason number 5. The last reason here is spot trading volume on decentralized exchanges has fallen 28.1%. This is all positive news. Even though the volume on the exchanges has fallen, this is the best time that you could perhaps buy crypto. What do you guys think down below? I would love to know what my community thinks. Are you scooping up crypto? I would love to know your top 2 cryptos outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum that you are scooping. Please let me know down in the comments below. Guys, as you can see, total decentralized trading, Uniswap is smashing it. Curve is obliterating. PancakeSwap is still part of Binance, is next on the list. Okay, guys, huge, huge stuff. Trader Joe is on the AVAX, AVAX DEX, okay, which tells me something, guys, that this volume is going to grow massive, more bigger than we have ever seen before. So, guys, that is the Q2 report. I think that's incredible. Now let's go and show you the last little bit of news that I wanted to share with you. And I'd like to know what you guys think here down in the comments below. Well, let us put this here right now. Is SBF secretly behind the Bold crypto Twitter debates, the latest conspiracy? Because obviously Bold yesterday morning was rug pulled. So if you made money, great for you. I didn't get in it. I didn't know about it. I don't have the time to research stuff like this. I do work on a number of other businesses, but well done to those who actually got into this. So crypto Twitter has been set ablaze with a new conspiracy that Sam Bankman-Fried is secretly pulling the strings of a new meme coin on Base called Bold. Now, this is crazy. This story is about to blow your mind out the water. So stay tuned right to the end. I'm almost done here, guys. Appreciate you, and thank you for appreciating me with a thumbs up and 100 likes on the video. And if you are watching and have not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe, please, to the channel. Okay, so Bold meme coin, which draws its namesake from humorous reference to Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, was launched on July 30th and witnessed an incredible 290% gain within the first 24 hours of trading. So this is the article here. So let's go and sorry, this is some of the tweets here that we have seen. So let's go and see here. So Ryan Sean Adams, just to catch you up, SBS, the guy with a fake crypto exchange and responsible for one of the biggest frauds in history, may have launched a $30 million scam last weekend under a meme coin called Bold, while on house arrest in his parents' basement using the blockchain of a man who was one of his biggest competitors and is also bold. And he thought no one would notice, and IDK, I don't know what drugs he's on, but good God, man. To summarize, thousands of ETH between FTX and Bold. Bold deployer was first voter on sushi proposals. Bold deployer tweets same sentence structure as SBF. Bold deployer was biggest DYDX farmer. Bold deployer DYDX posts sound like SBF. So you can see there's a whole bunch of stuff. And Tiffany Fong actually commented underneath his post, and she basically had said, guys, SBF hasn't had access to a normal phone or laptop since April 23 when his bail conditions changed. He's basically been using a flip phone without internet connection and a laptop with restricted access to whitelisted websites, e.g. NYT, WST, court, listener, etc. Note, he specifically does not have access to Twitter, so the claims that he's bold-based bold due to sentence structure seems like a stretch to me, lol. Plus, Sam would have weird-ass double spaces between sentences, etc. Even visitors are now wandered down by security and forbidden from bringing in outside electronic devices. So SBF does not have access to other laptops or devices. I know everyone loves conspiracy theory, but this bold rug one looks just false to me. I'll probably get shit for this, but hey. So that's what she's saying. I want to know from my community what you guys think down below. But what I want to go and do is I want to carry on reading to you some stuff that will give you some information to make that decision when you do comment down below. So go back to the Bold deployer funding. It's legit. SBF, FTX trying to make it all back from prison. Well, guess what? You can see here, there's FTX Exchange. There's FTX Exchange. There's your 7,000 ETH. There's another 4,000 ETH that has been already been spoken about. So one of the other concerning things that we have seen in the market is that SBF was spotted in New York City. One charge against him dropped a few days later. Bold launches a couple days later, sucks in majority of on-chain mindshare liquidity. Bold rugs. Gary now has some ammo against Coinbase. Now, this is the biggest thing that I need to share with you guys, okay? And the reason I need to share this with you guys, because essentially, if Gary now has some ammo against Coinbase, because Gary basically came out the other day and said to Coinbase and Brian Armstrong, remove everything off of your exchange other than Bitcoin. Everything else is a security. Now, isn't that interesting? Because wasn't he in Constitution not so long ago, and didn't he in Congress? Sorry, and didn't Congress ask him, "Is Ethereum a security?" And he did not answer the question. This is what I'm saying. This is a lizard man that is absolutely just trying to destroy the market, slow the competition down. Why do you think he's trying to slow Coinbase down? Well, because Coinbase are the chosen platform for BlackRock to come and list their Bitcoin spot ETF. So why do you think Gary Gensler is going to try and slow the whole industry down? What he's trying to do is cripple the industry. But I would like to know from you guys, my community, what you guys think about this down below in the comments. Do you think Gary Gensler is a lizard man that's trying to slow some stuff down? To be very honest with you, this sentence right here, Gary now has some ammo against Coinbase, is so true. Which for me, I'm sorry, Tiffany, I love you. Shout out to you for this beautiful energy here on your article, on your tweet. I don't know what you call it now. Is it an X? I don't know. Is it an X? Did I X you? Crazy. But guys, basically, this invalidates her tweet here, essentially because you can see that what is going on is pretty much out in the limelight. So maybe it is a high possibility that Sam was behind Bold Coin or Bold Token. And why would a coin just come in like this, list on Coinbase? Why would Coinbase list a coin like this and then all of a sudden allow a rug pull to happen? Guys, I don't believe that for 1 second. So for me, I would love to know what my community thinks. Guys, if you want to trade these beautiful Bitcoin charts with me, as course, you can see here, we're still in the bull pennant. So don't worry, we're still pulling down a little bit. Now, I've opened up this. I've now put the 20, 50, 100, and 200. So 20, 50, 100, 200 moving averages here for you guys. Now, you can see that we are under the 50, under the 20, but we are trying to make our way down to the 100, which would probably bring us around this 28,500 level, which throughout this video, I previously showed you that 28,300, which is the top of my purple box here, is the level or the line in the sand. Now, I'm saying that because that would, if we had to close a candle underneath that level, that would close us underneath the 100, which would essentially, without a doubt, with us knowing what happens when you close above or below the moving averages, that we make our way to the next moving average, which is down here, 27,000 on the 200. Now, guys, I would love to know what you guys think Bitcoin is going to do. For me, I think Bitcoin is still going to chill here for a little moment, may pull down a little bit. Yes, it may pull down to this 28,500 level, but for me, I am seeing a possible potential breakout, especially because I have drawn this head and shoulders pattern for you guys on that time frame. Plus, I have also drawn for you previously a larger time frame head and shoulders pattern that is unfolding right now, plus the cup and handle pattern. Guys, I still think Bitcoin has a good potential rally to come up to this 48K, this point right here, okay, which would bring us up to the 618 level. As you guys can see, that would bring us from the top all the way down to the bottom here. I drew this level for you guys. That would bring us up to the 618 level, up at the 48K level. I would love to know what you think. If you want to trade with me, I have some awesome Bybit and Bitflex links down in the comments in the description below for you. So make sure to go and subscribe to those platforms using my link down below, and that will give you an awesome, beautiful gift. Guys, thanks for being here on the channel. I appreciate you all. Much love, and please remember to go and watch that video over there, up there, somewhere there. That is going to be